So your water heater's out. You don't have any flame, you don't have any hot water, you're wondering what the hell do I do? Well, first thing you do is come downstairs, check your water heater, make sure you have a flame. Well, where the hell is that at? It's right here. You just pop this tab off, get it out of your way. You look inside this hole. You don't see any flame, well, because it's out. So first thing, you want to turn the gas on. Turn this to pilot, and then you push this down. Okay, hold on. You push this guy down right here, while holding this down. Push right there. You'll hear it when it ignites. And you can see the flame in there. Oop. And you gotta hold it till it's good. There you go. And turn it on. Now you've got hot water cooking. Then you'll set your settings here to about 115, and get your plate right here. Put it back over that, then clip it on. Good to go. There you go. That's how you light a water heater.